How to activate Aura in Blox Fruits Mobile. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll teach you guys on how to activate Aura in Blox Fruits Mobile. It's a simple process, so follow along. After purchasing the Aura from the Ability Teacher for 25,000, you can use it at any time. It allows you to coat a body part in black armor, improving your player's damage and defense, and bypassing elemental fruits immunity. The aura has distinct stages, identifiable by visual changes. To activate it on mobile, press the dedicated button on the right side of the screen. On PC, press J, and on console, press down on the D-pad. For mobile, there is a labeled AA button on the right side. Pressing it activates the aura. Different stages offer varying damage multipliers and defense. Stage 0 covers only lower arms and legs, while Stage 5 covers the entire body. It's simple, press the button and it's active. This button is always available on mobile. On PC, use J, and on console, press down the D-pad. I hope this helps you activate the Aura in Blox Fruits Mobile. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.